reduce it to POS form, product of sum. Here you have to create the maximum value and write out the POS expression using K-map. For variable K-map is drawn. A, B, C, D. Designation of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And A plus B, A plus B bar, A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B. C plus D, C plus B bar, C bar plus B bar, C bar plus B. Yes, and write the output value 0 for the given designation value. Why here the output 0 is taken? The PO you are writing in POS form. Therefore, maximum values are created. The maximum values are written in the form of output 0 for each square in the K-map. 1, 0, 5, 0, 9, 0, 10, 0, 11, 0, 12, 0, 13, 0, 14, 0. Yes, and make formation. The zeros are, 4 zeros are formed continuously in vertical form. Therefore, one chord is created. Yes, and here this 0 is paired with this 0. And these two values are paired. And again, these two values are paired. And this 0 is paired with this 0 by rolling the map. This edge value is touched with this edge value, then it is make it as pair. And write down the maximum value. See here, this pair is removed because this pair is considered as redundant group. The redundant group is a group whose all 1 zeros, here all zeros are encircled more than once or overlapped by other groups. Okay, therefore this pair is removed. Only pair 1, that is M2. Write down capital M for max term. M12 plus M13 pair 2, M11 plus M10, M11 plus M10, and pair 3, this one and this one. M14 plus M12, M14 plus M12. It is created by map rolling. m1 plus m5 plus m30 plus m9. And write the maximum value for pair 1. These two values are found in single row but in two columns. The single row is taken as it is, a bar plus b bar. Compare these two column values, c plus d and c plus d bar. Here the d bar removed, only c is taken out. That is a bar plus b bar plus c. And the maximum value for pair 2. Compare these two values. These two values are found in single row, a bar plus b, and compare these two column values, c bar plus b bar, c bar plus b, b bar plus b removed, only c bar is taken out. And for pair 3, m14 plus m12, this pair is created by map rolling. Compare these two values, edges of values. These two values are found in single row, a bar plus b bar, plus in two columns, that is c plus d bar, c bar plus d, c plus b bar, c bar plus d. Compare these two columns, c bar removed, only d is taken out. And compare the chord m1, m5, m30, m9, and these values are found in 4 rows in single column. The all 4 rows are removed because a bar, a bar, b bar, b bar. The values of a, b are changes from complemented to uncomplemented value or vice versa. Therefore, these 4 values are removed. Only one single column is taken out, c plus d bar, c plus d. Okay, then write the expression, very useful expression using maximum values for pair 1, a bar plus b bar plus c, pair 2 into a bar plus b plus c bar. For pair 3 into a bar plus b bar plus b into for chord c plus d bar. This is the final expression that is in the form of POS, product of sum. This is called as product of sum. Okay. Next, we'll see one more example. A function f of a, b, c, d with the execution value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 11, 12, 13 using k-map, reduce it to POS form. Okay, draw 4 variable k-map. A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. A plus B, A plus B bar, A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B. C plus D, C plus D bar, C bar plus D bar, C bar plus D. And write the output value for the given designation value 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 9, 0, 11, 0, 12, 0, 30, 0. Then make formation. These two values are formed continuously. These four values are formed continuously. Then make it as pod. And again these four values are formed continuously in vertical form. Again one more pod is created. And these two values are formed continuously and create one pair. And these two values are paired, and again these two values are paired, but here the value 0 is overlapped more than one by other groups. Therefore, this group is called as redundant group. The redundant groups are removed from the K-map. Only two pairs, two pod values are taken. Pair 1, M9 plus M11. Pair 3, M3 plus M2. Pod 1, M4 plus M5 plus M11 plus M12. Pod 2, M1 plus M5 plus M11 plus M9. And write maximum value for pair 1. These two values are formed in single row but in two columns. The single row value A bar plus B. Compare these two columns. C bar removed, only D bar is taken out. And for pair 3, these two values are formed in single row. A plus B plus two columns C bar plus D bar, C bar plus D. D bar D removed, only C bar is taken out. For pod 1, compare these four values are formed in two rows and two columns. A plus B bar, A bar plus D bar. Here A bar removed, only B bar is taken out. And compare these two columns. C plus D bar. Here D plus D bar removed, only C is taken out. And for pod 2, these four values are formed in four rows but in single column, and all these four rows are removed because A and B values changes from complemented to uncomplemented or vice versa. Therefore, a single column C plus D bar is matched up for pod 2. And write the reduced expression in the form of POS. A bar plus B plus D bar. Next, A plus B plus C bar into B bar plus C into POS